Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to set your profile photo on Messenger Web using your PC, especially with the new updates that make the process even smoother. Having a great profile picture can help you connect better with friends and family, so let's get started. First, make sure you have Messenger open on your browser. Once it's up, look at the left side menu and click on your profile picture. This will take you to your account settings. Next, you'll see the option for preferences. Click on that, and then find your photo settings. It's a simple step, but it's crucial for what's next. On the next page, click on your current profile photo. This action will open up the option to change it. Now, you'll want to select Choose Profile Picture. Here, you can browse through your files and select an image that you'd like to use as your new profile picture. Once you've chosen the image, don't forget to confirm the step. This final action will save your new profile picture and update your Messenger account. And that's it. You've successfully set a new profile photo on Messenger Web using your PC. Enjoy connecting with your friends with a fresh new look.